Ever noticed something odd about your AirPods lately? Maybe you looked down and saw the mesh grill from your AirPod is missing. It fell out, just gone. If that's you, don't worry, you're not alone. But here's the million-dollar question. Is it still safe to use your AirPods without the mesh? Do they still work the same? Is your ear in danger? And most importantly, should you keep using them or toss them before something goes wrong? In this deep dive, we're covering everything you need to know. Safety, performance, sound changes, and what Apple isn't telling you.
Let's start with the basics. That little fine mesh inside your AirPods, whether it's a regular AirPod or AirPods Pro, isn't just for looks. It's a multi-purpose component with some surprisingly critical functions. Number 1, dust and debris protection. It acts like a mini shield, preventing earwax, lint, and microscopic particles from clogging the internal speaker or the microphone. Without it, your AirPods are basically open tunnels to all kinds of gunk. Number 2, sound tuning. The mesh isn't just a barrier, it's part of the tuning design. It subtly influences the sound signature, especially the treble response. That means yes, removing it can alter the way your AirPods sound. Number 3, moisture barrier. Whether it's sweat from a workout, a humid commute, or accidental raindrops, the mesh offers some basic resistance to moisture getting directly into the audio driver. And finally, microphone clarity. Some of the meshes in AirPods sit over microphones. Without them, wind noise can be harsher and mic quality may degrade. So yes, that tiny mesh is doing a lot more than you think.
You'd think Apple would have nailed down the durability, right? But over time, many users report mesh falling out, especially with older AirPods, frequent cleanings, or after drops. Here are a few of the top reasons. Aggressive cleaning. Using toothpicks, needles, or alcohol-soaked swabs can loosen or dislodge the mesh. Moisture plus time. Over time, humidity and skin oils weaken the adhesive holding the mesh in place. Manufacturing flaw. Some batches may have had weaker bonding from the start. Extreme heat or cold. AirPods aren't rated for huge temperature swings, and adhesives can fail. Reddit, Apple support forums, and YouTube are filled with stories of people noticing their AirPods sounding strange, only to realize mesh gone.
Technically, yes, your AirPods will still power on. They'll still connect, they'll still produce sound. But here's what you'll notice. Sound might change. You might hear a sharper or harsher tone, especially in higher frequencies. More earwax inside. Without the mesh, debris goes straight into the speaker, and cleaning that is not easy. Increased chance of damage. The speaker driver is exposed. One small piece of grit and you risk permanent distortion. So yes, it works, but it's like driving a car without a windshield. Technically, it moves, but long-term, risky.
This is the part no one talks about. When the mesh is missing, the sharp internal edges or remnants of glue may irritate your skin, especially if you're using them during workouts or extended listening sessions. More importantly, without that barrier, microscopic particles from the speaker's internals may be exposed. Some people have reported slight irritation, pressure imbalance, random static shocks, rare but noted. It's not guaranteed to harm you, but Apple never designed these to be used this way. You're basically exposing your ears to an unfinished product.
If you're thinking of fixing the mesh yourself, here's a warning. It's not as simple as cutting a screen and gluing it in. Here's why. Sourcing the right mesh type is difficult. It needs to be acoustically transparent. Glue can leak and damage the speaker. You could block airflow or ruin the tuning. Apple may reject warranty or service if tampered. That said, some brave users on YouTube have had success. Look for acoustic mesh replacements. Use UV glue pens instead of regular glue, better control and less mess. Watch a few detailed teardown videos to understand how deep the mesh sits. But again, this is a risky mod, and unless you're confident with small tools, it's not recommended for casual users.
Now here's the interesting part. Apple doesn't officially sell mesh repair kits, and in most cases, if you take it to the Genius Bar, they'll suggest full unit replacement even if it's just the mesh.
Out of warranty? Get ready to pay. Still in warranty? They may replace it for free or not. It's case by case. Some people have had luck via Apple Support Chat, especially if your unit is under a year old. Others were turned away entirely, especially if the AirPods were clearly cleaned aggressively. Moral of the story? Always keep your box and serial number handy, and ask politely.
If you're stuck without mesh and can't afford a replacement right away, here's what you can do temporarily. Use mesh stickers. Third-party mesh dots can be stuck over the opening. Lower the volume. Reduce driver stress and exposure. Avoid windy environments. Protect internal parts. Clean with a brush only. No liquids or pokey tools. Use a case. Protect from pocket lint. And if you're shopping for new pair, look for earbuds with replaceable mesh or removable filters. Some audiophile brands do offer modular designs.
This depends on a few things. How bad is the damage? Are you experiencing any audio or skin discomfort? Is it still under warranty? If it's just a missing mesh and everything still works, you could keep using them, but understand the risks. If it's affecting sound, mic, or causing irritation, it's time to replace or at least stop using them during workouts or travel. Think of it this way. AirPods are tiny computers for your ears. Using them with a part missing is like using a MacBook with the cooling fan removed. It works, but only until it doesn't. So there you have it, the full breakdown of the missing AirPod mesh mystery. Why it happens, what it does, how risky it is, and what to do next. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more deep dives on tech problems Apple doesn't talk about. We've got videos on cleaning AirPods properly, sound tuning secrets, and why your earbuds stop charging after a year. Drop a comment if your mesh has ever fallen out, and if you fixed it, share your story below. You might help someone else avoid a costly mistake. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and listen mindfully.